So wonderful. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yeah. So this is Himanshu Paliwal here. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine, fantabulously. So guys, today's our topic is our education killing creativity? No, I don't think so that it is killing our creativity. No, I am completely disagree with this topic. Yeah, I know that most of you think that it is killing our creativity, our education system. But I believe in that if there is a negative scenario and if you find something, a ray of positivity, then I will pick that positivity. So here in this topic, I will pick the positivity that no, our education system is not killing creativity, it's generating our creativity. How? The question arises, how? Many of you think that our education system is knowledge oriented. What you have to the one book which is given by our education system, school, college, you will learn that and write in answer in the exam copy. Am I right? Yes. So what's wrong in this, yeah? If you consider the Virat Kohli is the best cricketer of the world, then what do you accept from him? If he will not score in a T20 World Cup, if he will not score, is going to score in a big matches, then will you justify that he is a best cricketer? No, na. We have if a person has some skills, then he has to implement on the ground. If he will not score in a match, he will not score in a ground, then how will you say that he is the best cricketer? The term called that is implementation. The exam is such way. If you have reading skills, then that's why you have cracked the exam. And one more thing, cramming. Cramming is a such type of creativity, guys. Don't think that cramming is the worst thing, that if you don't have anything, just cram the answer and implement in the exam. Cramming is a great creativity. If those who are a NEET aspirant, ask them how many nerves in a body. 206 bones are in our body. Okay, if they will not cram the words, then how they will do the operation, how they will identify? Cramming is an art, yaar. Don't think that the cramming is the worst thing. No. One more thing, UPSC aspirants we are talking about so long time, that is UPSC. UPSC is the hashtag second number toughest exam. Still Indians are cracking this exam. Okay. And the villagers are also cracking this exam. One thing, that is Indian Army. I am talking about Indian Army. If you will do the analysis and the justification, evaluation of world's army, then Indian Army is hashtag one army, which the whole world believe in Indian Army. Okay, the toughest, what we can say, the practice sessions, toughest counselings done by in our Indian Army, and they take the diamonds from these all. Okay, 21 lakh army is still in a rest mode, stand-up mode, sorry. Okay, so Indian education system is creating creativity, not killing, because I have already mentioned one more thing, that is government exam aspirants. If you have the lack of knowledge, if you have the lack of aim or lack of goal, then what our education system will do? They have provided each and everything to you. If you want to go through the BTech manner, go. If you want to clear the NEET exam, go. If you are doing the BTech and after that you are preparing for the Patwari, then it is your loophole. Even all the government, I am not talking about private colleges, but I am talking about those who are going, they are giving you the placements. Okay, and still that the student is blaming that, so we don't get the placement. Why do you don't do it? Even the company is in your college and they are asking that what they have the quality. Even you are not able to prove to yourself, which you have studied for 4 years, then how will you say that we don't have the creativity, our education system? Don't blame on the education system, guys. Trigonometry, one of the best example of all the audience, that trigonometry, where is the use of the trigonometry? Why we are learning from first class to 10th class about the trigonometry or a math? There is no use. There is a use, guys. Yeah. It is a basic knowledge. If you want to become made a fan, then at which angle it will rotate, that it will give the air. So sometimes trigonometry is needed. If you made a tower, then sometimes it is necessary to take the angles. So don't blame our education system. If you have our education system give us too many options. Try to find what is your goal, implement, do practice and make them sure. That's it. If you have any query, question regarding to my stuff, most welcome, guys.
Anybody has any kind of question? Either Hindu or English?
Jitendra ji, namaskar.
Good morning, Manju.
Good morning, sir. Thank you, sir.
As you have pointed out the curriculum of the education and education system, then I will put some points which are related to the curriculum. So our curriculum is designed in a way where the students are, trained to create the whole question answers. Okay, if you have taken the example of maths, there are many ways to solve a particular question. Okay, but we are trained to only remember one theory, one pattern of solving that question. So that's where our creativity is being killed. And if we take the example of a management studies, there are many cases where everyone can be, every class can be given a case to solve that particular case and put their judgment on that and come up with a new way to solve that case and put a new theory there. Okay, but what happens in the education system, the teachers come up with the solution and they just put in front of the student and
Okay.
say that just write that in the exam, so you will get good marks. So these are the points. Just I want
Yeah. So your three questions you have asked me. One about the questions and answers, and second is the option, and third is of particular question. That is, I can consider only the first and third question are similarly same. One thing, Mr. Jitendra, that is boundaries. You are talking about the certain parameters that our teachers had bounded in some parameters that you have to learn this or put to qualify the exams. Somewhere it is right, sir. Whenever you don't have parameters or boundaries, then you will cross the limit. One of the best thing is that if the students don't know the answer, then they write the songs in exams copies. So they are doing the crossing the limits, sir. So somewhere limit is necessary. Even if 2 plus 2 is 4, yeah, absolutely, all one know that. If there is a other method, if that he will write 2 equals to 1 plus 1, then 2 equals to 1, then 4 1 are there, then equals to 4. So sir, options are there. Okay, we want answer. And if you are taking the year this and you are talking this theory is absolutely, yeah. If the Newton have developed 3 laws, if Newton has developed the 3 laws, okay, and some are drawbacks. So what do you think? For learning purpose, you will change the theories? Not possible, na sir. Not possible, na. Yeah.
There in the maths there are many questions.
Yeah.
Okay, you are from the science stream, you know very well.
Yeah.
There are many ways to solve a particular equation. Okay.
Sure.
But in school or in
No, not not in that manner, sir. One thing is that they haven't bounded you to solve in a particular manner. No, sir. There are many in maths. There are too many theses. There are too many. Even you can solve the equation in too many manners also. But if you have something question regarding you have to solve in a particular manner, then definitely you will solve in that particular manner. Don't consider it as a foundation. It is a compulsion. You have to solve. Yeah. So, Ashok sir, first he asked me, then Agit sir, then you. I give you the chance. Yeah.
Compulsion in terms of what?
Compulsion is terms of for this that it is a particular question you have to solve in that particular way. That is called compulsion.
There is a particular way.
Because there is a, sir, sometimes doesn't mean that, okay, now you are saying me that if you want to pick that year, then not in that way. It doesn't mean, sir. Okay, sometimes there is a rule of maths also. Okay, if you are say that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, how, sir? Some have, there is a proof.
This is a universal proven theory, okay, or a universal proven.
Absolutely.
Okay, we can't change that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
But sir, one thing is that if one question is written that if you solve this question by Pythagoras theorem and you are saying that no, I will solve through the Sridhar Acharya college, sir, you are breaking the rules, sir. It doesn't mean that no, I know that rule, I will implement. No, sir. If the question is written in that manner, then you have to solve it simply in that way. If you think that no, I will solve in a Sridhar Acharya method, then definitely you will go to the zero.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just take an example of competitive exams where
Sure.
students are trained to solve the questions
By trick.
In a few seconds, or I would say in just 10 seconds.
Absolutely.
The same question, if you will give a teacher to solve that question, okay, he will take almost 5 minutes or 6 minutes. A teacher who teaches in a school.
In a school.
I'm talking about the coaching center.
Sir, okay. Now I got your question.
Okay, so where from they got these techniques?
Sir, it is a requirement.
They crossed the
It
limitation.
no, they haven't crossed the limitation, sir. Here there is a requirement to crack the. If you solve one question, it take 5 minutes. Then your 50% paper will be left.
Possibility, then why shouldn't we explore that?
No, sir. There is a requirement. Think about the place, na, sir. What, sir? Okay. If you are thinking a 5-year in 5th class student, he is doing plus addition, subtraction, and he will learn the trick. Then what's the benefit for him? What is the benefit for him? So if he is if the person or student is in a 5th class and he will learn his trick, no, there is no requirement of the trick. He is going to do startups. Okay, but in a competition exams, when you have lots of things to think about questions, there are 150 questions and you have to manage the time. At the time, trick is necessary. So this situation is based on particular situations. I am saying that. Ankit ji, yeah.
One thing you spoke very nicely. I just want to. It is not about the questions, but it is just about the Soika. I mean, your solutions. What do you think about it? You were explaining that mugging up the questions and answer, right? It is one kind of an art, right?
Creativity.
So I would ask you one thing that at the school levels it can be all right because we study with the short materials, right? But at the same time, if we just get entered into the competitive examinations, right? So at that time, is that possible to mug up these whole edify syllabus?
What? You think that mug up means that this is a particular book and I will learn each and everything? That is called mug up?
No, it is about.
About the overall level.
You explained.
I explain. Yeah, sure, sir. This is brain, this is eyes, this is ear, this is all things. Okay, I have taken the examples of doctor at a time. Then I am again saying that this is okay. There. In NEET exams and in those who are doing the MBBS, they are they are cramming in such way that they don't forgot the name of that thing. Okay, if they forgot what is the name of this nerve, then how will they identify what is the disease in a particular person? So cramming is an art, sir. Don't think that it is a loophole that he is not getting.
Cramming doesn't mean that even the way you explained right now that it is a kind of nerve, right? It is a kind of nose and ear, whatever is that. It is a kind of the basic understanding, and we can learn it.
I have given the initial example.
Like you are talking about understanding and learning this way. We can create the notes for that, right? We cannot go for the entire mugging up the situations.
Okay, now I think that you are thinking that mugging up means that this is a remote.
Yeah.
So you will mug up remote. That is the thinking of the cramming. Even I was also thinking the cram thing. But it doesn't mean that I will cram this name remote 10 times and I will learn that. No, yeah. If there is a Bora Ganeshji temple, then I literally know that okay, there is a Bora Ganeshji temple. Okay.
How would you relate one thing? Our sir Mukesh sir taught us that if you speak one word approximately 40 times or 40 to 50 times, so you will.
This is for the tongue practice. This is for the tongue practice.
Sir, what do you think about that?
Because we are from that environment where the English is not spoken by anyone. So where to get the addict is a different word. To get the habit of this, that's why we are cramming this thing. And cramming is also art. If you will not do the cramming of these words, then how you will speak English? Or for only 5 words you can't learn the English. Similarly, even in MBBS and in a history subject, we don't repeat the names for 10 times. We keep it in the mind, and after that we have to keep it in the mind, because if we will not keep it in the mind, then we will definitely not qualify our exam. That's
Okay,
it.
thank you so much.
Yeah, he has one question. Only 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. He has question. One
It is short questions.
short question. Yeah, sir.
You spoke very well, sir.
Absolutely.
I appreciate your whole point, sir.
Thank
It's
you, sir.
regarding to your debate. I have one question. You were just speaking about that class first to 10th class, right? We are studying all subjects and all, and we just require this kind of this history, right, sir? Just tell me about where we can use of the con, theta, and sec, secant, this whole guy we can just use
Nice,
in class.
nice, यार. Man, give a big round of applause for him, यार. Sir, अरे बजाओ ना जोर से यार. Yeah. He asked me the question that where is the use of cos theta sin theta in the real life?
Not real life, sir. It is want to some.
So,
listen, sir.
yeah.
Wants to become it's an actor where he can
Yeah.
use of this kind of thing.
Yeah, sir. Absolutely. I think so. You haven't listened me. When I also mentioned about the example of fan. You were there. Yeah, you came late.
Yes.
The use of thetas is used.
Don't give me an example. I just want.
I am giving you the situation. The situation is realistic. So I am not giving you the real life and not. Leave it. If the fan is rotating and the fan is made on the basis of quantums of the cos thetas and sin thetas, these are meant. Even if we make the building, if we making the tower at the bit of the top of the tower, there is a light. Okay, at which angle we put at that light, then it will give the lights to everywhere. So there is a use of that thetas in that thing. Okay, now you have mentioned that point. If someone want to become an actor or someone want to become a farmer, then what is the use of sin theta and cos theta? Sir, according to the thesis, the many scholars of the Oxford University said that Indian education up to 1 to 10th, from class 1 to 10th, whatever they are learning, it is at a high or pinnacle level. Okay, they are making understand that they are giving knowledge to each and every factor till that age. If they want to change their opinion, if they have any situation, they can easily face that situation. Even they have not such type of foundation till 10th class. Why is it so? Because in all competition exams it is there.
Sir, do you know Sanjay Mishra?
No sir, I don't know.
No.
Give me a.
Okay, sir. Sanjay Mishra is one of the guys. Just chill. It's Goldman. You know Goldman movie. One person who is the villain of that movie, right, sir? He is uneducated person.
So what?
So what? He is become like right now is a celebrity, right?
Celebrity?
Yes, sir.
TVF director. He was a UPSC aspirant and he become the director of TVF, sir. Situation doesn't mean that.
Where he is using right now bond
Sir, his field is not that much.
That is my question, sir.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Sir,
There is no use of
sir, actually, when I was giving my answer, you are framing another question. That's why you are asking me. Absolutely.
Okay, thank you so much. Your time is over now. I will go to my. Thank you.
Okay, guys, thank you so much. Have a gala day.